ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात् कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Yes, Pradi Shabda, then Gramani, then Agrani, all this we had Senani, then just Ni, Nayati iti Nihi, right? Yes, what is your doubt? What is it? Ni Shabda?
No, in Pradi Shabda 13b,
Pradi, okay.
that Pradi plus Am, you get the Nuttakama, you get Nam. Will that Natvam happen, Sharanji? Because it's Dakara is there, so won't it not prevent Natvam?
Yeah, will not happen. Sorry, copy paste.
That's
Huh? Yes.
Then yeah, that's the only thing. I thought if we, because the document will be good if we correct
Yes,
it.
Pradi now. Yes, Natvam will not happen.
That's the only thing, Sharanji, nothing else.
Pradi, two types we saw.
Yeah,
Right?
38, yes.
Depending on the Vigraha Vakya. Vigraha Vakyas are Pradi Prakristadihi Yasya Saha. If you take this Bhagavadgita Samasa, then the declension is one type. Or if you take Prakarshena Dhyayati, that is Upapada Samasa. That is Upapada Samasa. There the forms, that where the E will be replaced by Yakara. What rule will apply? There you will apply Prakarshena Dhyayati iti. That doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya. Therefore, you will apply Eranekaj Asanyoga Purvasya, right? You understand the difference between Dhi and Pradi? Di is, suppose if we take just Di, Di is Ikarantaha Strilingaha Di Shabdaha. Di is Ikara preceded by Dakara. Is it Eka? It's Anekacha. Is it Anekach? Anekacha Sanyoga Purvasya.
No, he is ekach.
It is ekach. Therefore, di plus hajadi pratyaya. Ikara will be replaced by, tell me, yang or n? 6477 or 6482?
6477.
No, 64 is, sorry, yeah. It is, D will be, in the case of D, yeah. In the case of D, it will be replaced by 6470. That is, yang adesha will come, right? That's why you have D, diyo, diyaha, diyam, diyo, diyaha, diya, dibhyam, dibhigi, diyai, diya. It has enjoys nadi sanya. Therefore, vikalpena, niti pratyaya pare, atava ami pratyaya pare, you get two forms, nadi sanya, right? What about pradi? Pradi is ekach or anekach?
Anikach.
Anekach. Therefore, ajadi pratyaya pare you will apply 6482.
6482.
82. Here anekach. Asanyoga purvasya you will apply. Asanyoga purva only here. Please, asanyoga purva means you have to take only the avayava of the anga, which is a dhatu only you have to take. Dhatu avayava only we have to take, not the pra. Okay. In the case of Shri, there Shakara plus Repa plus E, that is derived from the Dhatu, Shin Dhatu. That Dhatu Avayava, if you take, it is Ekach preceded by a conjunct consonant. Okay. Therefore, Asanyoga Purvachi cannot apply, you have to apply. There we have seen Shri Shabda 6477, Achishnu Dhatu Bhruva Yengu, right? Understand? This will be clear. Only this background only we are going to do further. You follow?
Yes.
Whereas Pradi now, it is Aneka, therefore we apply Yerenekach, Asanyoga Purvasya, and you can see here, does it enjoy Nadi Sanya?
No.
No. Why? Because Prathama Karanam is that Di Shabda is Nadi Sanya, but what about Pradi? Depending on the compound, right? The first case, it is Upapada Samasa. Prakarshena Dhyayati iti Pradihi. That is why where you see, it doesn't get Nadi Sanya. Nadi Sanya should be a Srilinga, right? That is a question of Srilinga there. Therefore, no chance there, right? But in the case of second case, where the Vigraha Vakya is Prakrishtadihi Yasyasaha. Here, does it enjoy Nadi Sanya or not?
No.
Enjoys.
The second case.
Enjoys Nadi Sanya.
It enjoys Nadi Sanya. Why? Because Prakrishtadihi Yasyasaha. Di Shabda originally it is Srilinga.
Nadi Sanya is there.
Sorry, Nadi Sanya. Nitya Di Shabda is Nadi Sanya ka Shabda. Therefore, Prathama Linga Granam by that, right? By that, Pradi also enjoys Nadi Sanya. Therefore, the Rupams you can see like Nadi Shabdavat. Chaturthi and all you can see Pradyai, right? Rama. Nadyai, Adyaha, right? Dhyam. All these are because of the Sutra, Anadyaha, Tascha, and Shashti Bhakti Bhagavachan, Rasvanadhyapo Nut. Okay. Ambartanadyo Rasvaha, therefore Pradi. All this you can see because Pradi enjoys Nadi Sanya. Nadi enjoys Nadi Sanya. Don't we have Vikalpa here? No, we don't have Vikalpa here. Why? Because this is not Srilinga Shabda, Nitya Srilinga Shabda, which gets Yang Adesha, then that alone will get Vikalpena Nadi Sanya. But here it is not. It enjoys Nadi Sanya. Prakrishtadihi Asyasava, if you say it as a considered as a Bhagavati compound, then enjoys Nadi Sanya, and therefore Niti Pratyaya Pare, there is no Vikalpa. That Vikalpa is only for the Nitya Strilinga Shabda. Already we have seen Nadi Sanya, that Nadi, Gi, that section. Important this is to be understood. That Apavada, Na, Iyang, Uvang, it is for all the Linga. Whereas Vikalpa, Niti Pratyaya Pare, Anami Pratyaya Pare, that is only for Nitya Strilinga Shabda. Pradi is not Nitya Strilinga Shabda. Therefore, there is no Vikalpa. And Pradi enjoys Nadi Sanya. Therefore, Nadi Shabdavati Bhavati. You follow? You have to think, huh? It's a little bit confusing. You have to think. That's why I said that you did it. But I wrote also somewhere in the class itself. Think if Pradi is interpreted as Bhagavrihi, where the enjoy Nadi Sanya, then the derivation of Shabda would be same as Lakshmi Shabda, right? In Pullinga and Strilinga. Okay. That is why I asked you to do homework.
Sir, but Lakshmi is Strilinga only, no?
Yeah, I said like Lakshmi, it will be declined. That's it. I said Lakshmi, Sarga will be there. Pradi is not Niyanta. Therefore, the Su will not go away. That is why I said it as Lakshmi.
Okay.
There's no other thing. Okay. Lakshmi, Lakshmi or Lakshmiyaha. Dihi, Diyo, Diyaha. I can say Dihi also. Okay, I will tell again, please understand.
Here Pullinga will come. Lakshmi Shabda in Pullinga.
No. Would be same as Lakshmi Shabda.
In Strilinga only. The last line.
Yeah, last line. If Pradi is interpreted as Bhagavrihi, where Di enjoys Nadi Sanya, then the derivation would be the derivation of the Pradi Shabda. Okay, would be same as Lakshmi Shabda. In Pullinga and Srilinga, deferring to Pradi, not Lakshmi. Derivation of the Pradi Shabda in Pullinga and Srilinga would be same as the Lakshmi Shabda. Lakshmi Shabda is Srilinga only. Derivation of the Shabda, what Shabda? Pradi Shabda. Would be same as Lakshmi Shabda in Pullinga and Srilinga. Don't connect, it is not connected. I don't know whether in English it is, I don't think anything wrong in here, writing like this. In Pullinga and Srilinga means don't take Lakshmi as referring to Lakshmi here. Pradi Shabda is talked about. Okay. Then the derivation of the Pradi Shabda in Pullinga and Srilinga would be same as Lakshmi Shabda. If you want to continue quoting here.
Then it will be same in both Pullinga and Strilinga. The Prakriya will be same in.
Yes, that is what it means. The derivation of the Pradi Shabda in Pullinga and Srilinga would be same as Lakshmi Shabda, which is Srilinga Shabda. Okay. So, Dhi Shabda, which is Nitya Srilinga Shabda, it is not Anekach, therefore Yang Adesha will come. Once it gets Yang Adesha, doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya, but Vikalpena Nadi Sanya it gets when followed by Git Pratyaya, that is 41516171, and Ami Pratyaya Pare. This is Pradi. Then this is a D, sorry, this D. Then Pradi, when you say, since D is Srilinga Shabda, therefore Pratamalinga Karanam, by that Pradi also, you know, the Pratamalinga Karanam, by that Sutra, that by the Vartika, you know, Pratamalinga Karana, by that Pradi also will enjoy Nadi Sanya.
Nadi Sanya.
Not Srilinga, Nadi Sanya. Vartika is only for ordering Nadi Sanya. Ita, the Shabdaha, Nitya Srilinga, Shabda enjoys Nadi Sanya, Vikalpena. That is Nitya Srilinga Shabda enjoys Nadi Sanya, and Di enjoys Nadi Sanya when followed by Niti and Ami Pratyaya. Not otherwise. Why? Because it gets Yang Uvang Adesha. That is why. Right? Nadi Sanya is negated by Na Yang Uvang. Right? But Vikalpena Nadi Sanya Bhavati, Giti Pratyaya Pare, Ami Pratyaya Pare. Di Shabda. When it comes to the compound Pradi, that in the as a Bhagavrihi compound, Prakrishta, only in Bhagavrihi we have to discuss. Other case, it's not a problem. Other case, just Yanadesha, Eranayakacha applies, you get the form. Only in the case of the Vigraha Vakya being Bhagavrihi, because there only you get the, there only you define it as Prakrishta Dihi iti, the Srilinga. I mean, Nadi Sanya comes. There in the Upapada Samasa, there is no Nadisanya. Okay. Prakashena Dhyayati iti Pradi. There is no question of Pradi Shabda enjoying Nadisanya, right? So only in Prakrishta Digi, etc. Only when the compound is interpreted as Bhagavadigi, there only the question of whether the Pradi enjoys Nadisanya or not comes. It enjoys Nadisanya by the Vartika, Pratama Linga Garganam. So if it enjoys Nadisanya, but if the Linga is Pullinga, you have to note. The Linga is Pullinga. Pradi Shabda enjoys Nadisanya. Now, Vikalpena Giti Pratyaya Pare or Ami Pratyaya Pare, you have two forms. The two forms will not be here for this. The two forms will be there only for the Nitya Srilinga Shabda. Pradi is not Nitya Srilinga Shabda. It is Pullinga. Therefore, even if you decline this in Srilinga, then also you will have only one form. That is why I written here. The Pradi Shabda would be same as Lakshmi Shabda. Lakshmi Shabda has got only one form. Nadyai, Nadyaha, I mean Lakshmi, Lakshmiyaha, Lakshmiyaha, Lakshmiyam, Lakshminam. So you will have only one forms. This is about Pradi Shabda. Can please refer again and then understand this is important because further we are going to see based on this. Right?
Yes, Jay.
When to apply 6477, 6482, that we have to note it. That's why I said 6482 is applied only when it is Anekaj, Asanyoga Purvasya. Suppose if it is not Anekaj, Asanyoga Purva, Anekaj not there, but Anekaj, then you apply 64. If it is not Anekaj, then apply 6477. If it is Sanyoga Purva, even if it is Anekaj, Sanyoga Purva, apply 6477. Okay. So this combinations you need to know. We'll see example. We're going to see many. Okay. Then Gramani, simple Shabda we have done. Right? Gramani is Gramam Nayati iti Gramani. Okay, you understand, right? Think because this understanding is important. Based on that, we are going to do further. Okay, I take it for granted. You know, you follow. In the case of Upapada Samasa, there is no problem. In the case of Bhagavadgita only. Why? Because there only the Shabda is there. In the case of Upapada Samasa, it is direct from the Dhatu. Jai Dhatu plus Kip Pratyaya, then you get the form Pradi, Prakashena Dhyayati iti Pradihi. There it is, there is no di, it is only Jai Dhatu. But here, di Shabda itself is a Prakashta Dihi. Therefore, only the question of whether Nadi Sanya or not comes. Then similarly, Ni Shabda, which is I think the last Shabda we saw. Agrani is Ikara the Shabda. Then Senani, that also we saw. You can see the forms are same for Pullinga and Srilinga. Senani. Rupam is same. Senam Nayati iti Senanihi. Ni is important there. Then Ikarantaha Pullingaha just Ni Shabda. Ni Nayati iti Nihi. This was the last Shabda we saw. Now this is Ekaj or Anekaj. What will apply here? Please tell me. 6477 or 6482. When followed by Ajadi, Vyakti Pratyaya.
Ni is Ekach.
The Dhatu,
6477.
it is not Anekaj. It is not Anekaj. If it is Anekaj Asanyoga Purvasya, then Yanadesha will come by 6482. It is not. Therefore, Ajishno Dhatu Purvam will apply 6477. Right? Yam Adesha will come. Same thing for Gramani, Senani, Agrani. Okay. Now, Unni is another Shabda. Now, just to see the Shabda Manjari, is all the special Shabdas we have seen, except the first one. First one is, we'll keep it in, we keep it as pending, we'll see later. Aikshvaka Shabda. But I have to check this, how the form comes. Nirjara, we have done, right? Nirjara, Pada, Danta, Masa, Vishwapa. Vishwapa also we have done, right? Have we done Vishwapa? Akara, in fact, this first Shabda we dealt was Akaranta Shabda. Akaranta Srilinga Shabda. Vishwapa, Swamapa, Haha, that also we did. So Deva of the Devas,
Gandharva.
Gandharva. This also we will do it later. Sudhi Shabda. Have we done Sudhi? Not yet, I think. Pradi we did. Sudhi we have not done.
Yeah.
Shobhana, here also, like Pradi, we can have two vigraha. You can define it as two compounds. Upapada and Bhaguvri. Sushtu, Dihi. Right? One is Sushtu. Yatha Prakarshena Dhyayati. Sushtu Dhyayati. Iti Sudhihi. Another possibility is Shobhana Dihi Yasya Saha Bhaguri Samasa. So there also we will have two Shabda, in fact, two. But whether we will see two forms are there or one form, we will see that. So we're going to see that. Tadvata Shuddha Di, Sushri, etc. Senani we have done. Pradi we have done. Prakrishtam Dhyayati. Prakarshena Prakrishtam Dhyayati that we have seen. Or Prakishta Digi Yasya Saha, another form. She has given both. This form is Pradi is same as Senani Shabda. Therefore, it's not explained. It is just simply Yanadesha, whereas here it is Yangadesha and Nadi Sanyaka. Sorry, here not Yangadesha. Here the Nadi Sanya it enjoys. Therefore, whatever the Nadi Sanyaka sutras will apply, will apply. Here you can see Krishta Digi. Yes, Saha. We have seen. This is like Bhagushre Yasi Shabda. So that we have seen. Vata Parmi, that also we have seen. Vata Parmi. Again, Prakishta Digi. I think it's repetition. The page is repeating. Okay. Kroshtra, we will see that. Varsha Bu. Okay. After that, Bu related. This also we have to see. Varsha Bu we have seen. Pullinga we have seen. All this Pullinga Shabda, Pullinga we have seen, but some more Shabdas are there in Pullinga itself. Yeah, Ukaranta Shabda we have to see. After that, in Srilinga, we have again the Ukaranta Shabda and all, we will see that. Okay, fine. Now, let us continue. First, let us complete Pullinga and then we will do Srilinga. Now, Unni is Uttanayati iti Unni, same as Ni Shabda. Now, Unni, the word is derived from Utpurvaka Ni Dhatu Piprataya Unni. Dhatutamna Jagati Givantaha Dhatutamna Jagati. Therefore, Achishnu Dhatu Bruva Yanguvam can apply or 6482 Eraneka Chatsanyuga Purvasya depending on the condition. Now tell me here, which one will apply when Ajadi Vakti Pratyaya follows? Unni plus Au. Unni plus Su, we know. It is not Ni Anta, therefore Visarga will be there. Unni plus Su, we get Unnihi. Right? What about Unni plus Au? Pratama Vakti Dvivachanam. Ajadi Vakti Pratyaya Pare. What will happen? Tell me. Ikara will be replaced by what? Yang or N? 6477 or 6482?
6482.
Why 6482? Tell me.
Aneka means
It is Anekach. Yes,
Yeah.
it is Anekach. Because Visarga is because Uttu is there. Shimita. Okay, then Asanyaga Purvasya, Sanyaga Purvasya.
Sanyoga. No, it is.
no, Asayoga.
It is Asanyoga.
You have to see the Dhatu Avayava only, Sanyoga or not. Okay.
Okay.
Not with the Upasarga. In fact, Upasarga, the Takara is a Takara replaced by Nakara, you know, that is Yara Arunasika by that Takara replaced by Nakara. There it is not Sanyoga, right?
Okay.
Dhatu Avayava you only have to take. Ikara preceded by. In the case of Shri, there Shakara Repa, that is Sanyoga. Here Asanyoga, right? Okay. Now Ni Shabda, there what we applied? Ni.
Ni is Ekach, so
Ekach, so
Achishno Dhatu.
6, 4, 77.
Here it is not, right? Why? Because it is Anekach. Anekach Asanyoga Purvese. Unni Shabda is Anekachanga preceded by us. Asanyoga. Meaning the Dhatu doesn't have Sanyoga Avayava like Shri. You follow?
Okay.
Right? Therefore, we cannot apply 6477. Since the condition for 6482, Eranekach Asanyoga Purvesya is met. It's met or not? It's Anekach and Dhatu, that is Avayava, that is Sanyoga Avayava, not there for the Dhatu, Ni. Therefore, Enadesha will apply. Therefore, Enadesha by 6482 is applied when Ajadi Vakti Pratyaya follows. So, therefore, applying 6482, it will be Unyav. In the case of Ni Shabda, it was Niyav. Nihi, Niyav, Niyaha, right? But here it is Unyav because it is Anekach. Anekach and Asanyoga Purvasya. If it is Ni, it is not Anekach because it is Anekach, therefore 6477. Yang Uvang Adesha. Yang Adesha. Because it is E. 64. That's why Nihi, Niyav, Niyaha. Niyam, Niyav, Niyaha. Right? Yes or no? Right? So that's what that's
Yes.
Nihi. And Ni Shabda, does it enjoy Nadi Sanya? It's not Nitya Salinga Shabda. It doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya. It is like Gramani Shabda. Gramani, does it enjoy Nadi Sanya? No. Right?
Yeah.
It is not Nitya Salinga Shabda. Therefore, it doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya. When it doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya, there is no question of applying the Nadi Sanya, the related rules. Niyagya, Madhya, Nibhyaha, Anadhyaha. So it will apply. All these rules will not apply. So don't have any doubts with regard to whether it is Nadi Sanya or not. There's no question of Nadi Sanya. Ni is just derived from the Dhatu. Nayati iti Nihi. Then where is Srilinga? Di is Srilinga. It is naturally Srilinga, the language.
Yeah.
Therefore, only there we have to see what Samasa is. Here there is no question at all. Nayati iti Nihi. It is Upapada Samasa. The Dhatu it is derived. Therefore, there is no Nadi Sanya. So therefore, Nadi related rules will not apply. Therefore, you will not see Annadhyaha and all. Right? Annadhyaha, Atascha, Rasvanadhya Ponut, Ambatanadhyo Rasvaha. So these are the Nadi Sanya related rules which will not apply. Neyam Nadhya Nibhyaha. Just apply 6482 when Ajadi Vakti Pratyaya follows. So therefore, Unni plus Au, Unyav. Unni plus Jas. You get? Unyaha. Unyaha. 6482 followed by 8266 and 8315. Unyaha. Unni plus Unyam. Unni plus out. Unyav. Unni plus Shas. Unyaha. This also you please discuss in your class so that you can keep pace with our Shabda. Otherwise, no, when I say you won't be able to understand. If you don't remember, it is difficult to understand. Samasa also, this also. Unni plus Ta. Unya. Unni plus Byam. Unni Byam. Unni plus Bis. Unni Bihi. Just a Melanam. Padanta Sakara replaced by Ru and then Visarga. We know very well. Unni plus Nye. No Nadi Sanya. Therefore, there is no question of any Atagama here. Just this is Unni is Anekach Asanyagapurvaha. Therefore, Yanadesha Bhavati Unye. Why don't we apply 177? Because 6177 also does the same thing, right? It is Yensanti.
Go ahead.
Then why don't we do that? Paratvam,
Yeah.
Angakarya, therefore it is stronger.
It
Unni
is
plus
Shede
Byas. Yes. Unni plus Byas. Unni Byaha. Unni plus Nasi. Unyaha. Unni plus Nasi. I hope you can follow. E is replaced by Yakara. After that, just Melanam. Unyas. Then Unyaru. Unyaha. Unni plus Nas. Same thing here also. Same as 1, 3 and 2, 3. 5, 1 and 6, 1. Unyaha. Unni plus Os. Unyoho. Yanadesha by Yeranekacho Sanyoga Purvasya. Then Sargadesha. Unni plus Am. Unyam. Unni plus Ni. Okay, typo here. Unni plus Am. Or 7. Unni plus Sam, right then. Unni plus Ni. Okay.
E.
Becomes Ni. Right. 7 already done. Unyoho. Unni plus Sub. Unnishu. And then Unni plus Su. Pratama. Sambodha Pratama. Unnihi. Unyau. Unyaha. 6482 everywhere. And Shabda would be like this. Shrilinga also the same Rupam. So that here you can see when we decline, when we derive the word as Upapada Samasa, for both Pullinga and Shrilinga, form will be same. In other case, we have to see. There are also good possibilities that we have to see the Shabda. Here it is same. Unni. Ni Shabda also in all the Linga same. Senani we have seen the same format, same forms only for Pullinga and Shrilinga. Senani, Gramani. Unni also same. That's why for Pullinga and Shrilinga, for both. The Rupams are same. Unni Shabdaha. Ikarantaha Pullingaha va. Ikaranta Shrilingaha va. Shabda Rupani. Shabda Rupam Samanam Bhavati. So this is Unni Shabda. Then Sushri Shabda. Now, to understand Sushri Shabda, we should know Shri Shabda. Shri Shabda is Sanyoga Purvaha, right? It is Sanyoga Purvaha. Therefore, here Anekaj will not apply. If you take Shri Shabda alone, Shri Gi, Shriyo, Shriyaha, Nitya Srilinga Shabda, getting, and since here Anekaj cannot be applied, therefore, Yang Uvang will apply. Therefore, Nadi Sanya is negated. But Vikalpena Nadi Sanya Bhavati, when Git Pratyaya or Am Pratyaya follows. That is why we have two forms, Shriya, Shriye, Chaturthi. In Panchami, Shashti, Saptami, as well as in Saptami, Shashti Bhagavacham, Shriyam, Shrinam, right? Shri Shabda. Recall the forms of Shri Shabda. Now Sushri. Now it is Sushri. Now Sushri also here, you have to see the Shabda, how it is interpreted as Upapada or Bhagavati. Depending on that, the forms will be different. But Sushri as such, it is the form will be same for all the linga. You will see first. Then you can note that. Then we'll discuss. The form will be same for all the linga. The Shabda is derived from the Dhatu, Shri Dhatu, Vadigana, Ubhayapadi Dhatu, and by a Vartika. This is a Unadi Sutra, not Vartika. I think it is Unadi. He gets Pipratyaya and also Dirgattam Bhavati. Getting Pipratyaya, Dirga as well as Samprasana. Asamprasaranam cha. Asamprasaranam. So Shri plus Kip, we get Shri. Supurvaka. So is Upasarga or Gati. Depending on what we how we interpret. Supurvaka. Sushtu Shayati iti Sushri. Let us take it as Upapada. Supurvaka Shri Dhato Kipratayim Yojagitva Sushri Shabdaha Nishpannaha Bhavati. Yes, Supurvaka Shri Dhato. Therefore, the The Vigraha is Sushtu Shayati. Iti Sushri. Upapada Samasa. Upapada Samasa. It is not Niyanta. Niyanta. If it is Niyanta, then so Lopaha will happen. Here it is like Lakshmi Shabda, Di Shabda, Shri Shabda itself. Not Niyanta. Therefore, 6116 will not apply for Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam. Therefore, Sushri plus Su will become Sushri. He Pratama Bhakti. You can understand. Sushri plus Su. Su will not go. It is not Niyanta. Therefore, you cannot apply Alnyabhyaha. Dirghasuri Sapruktamal. Visarga will remain. Sakara will remain. Therefore, Padanta Sakara, Ru and then Visarga. So Shrihi, like Shrihi. What about the other forms? So Shri plus Au. Tell me, what will apply here? Think and tell. So Shri, Sanyoga Purvasya va Nava.
So only. So,
Hmm?
Asanyoga.
Anekaj. It is Anekaj or Anekaj or Ekaj?
Ekaj.
Anekaj. No, not Ekaj, Anekaj. So Shri, you have to see the Anga. Anga is not Ekaj, right? Anekaj Anga. So also you have to consider, right? Not the Dhatu.
Oh, okay.
Dhat, you don't consider the Anga only. Aneka Changa. Please see our explanation also
Oh,
before.
Anga full we have to take.
Unni. Aneka Changa. Dhatu,
Okay.
you have to take the Abhayava of the Anga, that is Dhatu Abhayava. That the Ikara should not be preceded by a conjunct. Asanyoga Purvasya. In that sutra, here Aneka condition is Asanyoga Purvasya. If it is Sanyoga Purvasya, Iyangavanga Adesha Bhavati, it has come to 6477. Right? Now, Sushri is there. Sushri, first of all, does Sushri, does it enjoy Nadi Sanya? You tell me yes or no.
Sushri, no, because it can be declared in all.
Shri Shabda takes Iyangavanga Adesha, right?
Yeah.
Only Shri Shabda. Therefore, Nadi Sanya is negated. Shri Shabda takes Iyangavanga Adesha, Nadi Sanya is negated. Optionally, for the Nitya Shilinga Shabda, Nit Pratyaya Pare, Am Pratyaya Pare Nadi Sanya Bhavati. Optionally, but Shri Shabda, Nitya Shilinga Shabda doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya, right? If that is so, how can Sushri will enjoy? So same Pratama Linga Granam if you apply. So Shri is not Nadi Sanya Shabda. Therefore, Sushri also cannot enjoy Nadi Sanya. Understand? You follow?
Okay.
Shri Shabda, does it enjoy Nadi Sanya or not? First, there should be clarity. With regard to Shri Shabda. Shri Shabda is not a Nadi Sangika Shabda. First, you see the two sutra, that 143 and 144. 144, Na Iyang Uvang, it is for all the linga. Use Triyakyo Nadi. And Nadi Sanya is negated by the next sutra, Na Iyang Uvang, right?
Sir, Nitya Srilinga Ilya, Shri Shabda.
We're not talking about, we're talking about Nadi only. We're not talking about Srilinga. Why do you confuse with that?
Oh, okay.
I just said it doesn't enjoy Nadi Sangika Shabda. Doesn't enjoy Nadi Sangya only. Did I say it is not a Srilinga? Let it be Srilinga Shabda only enjoy Nadi Sangya.
If it is Nitya Srilinga,
Srilinga Shabda, Nitya Srilinga Shabda only enjoy Nadi Sangya. By Pratama Linga Gagranam, Vartika, we extend the other Linga also enjoying Nadi Sangya. That's why Vartika is a Pratama Linga Gagranam. But yeah, what is your question?
No, if it is Nitya Srilinga, then Nadi Sanya should be there.
No, not. It's a rule. No. If it gets Iyang Uvang Adesha, Nadi Sanya is negated. And Nadi Sanya is given optionally only for Niti Pratyaya Pare, Niti Rasvascha Va Ami. For the Nitya Srilinga Shabda, which doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya, because it gets Iyang Uvang Adesha, they are given option Nadi Sanya only for niti pratyaya pare and ami pratyaya pare. That is why vikalpena, you have two
Okay.
forms there.
Yeah, that
That's what I
sutra
keep
we should.
repeating. That's what I keep repeating in the beginning. Huh?
Na iyang uwang asthana was 3. That because of that sutra, it is not
Nadi Sanya
Nati.
is, it's not Nadi Sanya.
Okay.
Because it gets Vikalpa, don't think that is only Vikalpa. But that Shabda doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya. She is, it's a Nitya Shilinga Shabda, no doubt, but doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya. Therefore, there is no question of Pratamalinga Karham here and make the Sushri as Nadi Sanya Shabda. It doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya. Understand, Kameshwari? I think, what is your question?
Yes, same question.
Yes. So doesn't enjoy. So there is no question of Nadi Sanya, and therefore there is no question of applying Nadi Sanya related rules. The first of that is it made it clear, right?
Okay.
Now tell me what sutra will apply? 6477 or 6482? This is the important thing. Which one to apply? The clarity should be there. It's Aneka. Now see, Anekaj or Ekaj. Anga. Anekaj or Ekaj, Anga. Okay. Please note, when I say Ekaj or Anekaj, not the Dhatu, that is about the Anga. Anga is Anekaj. Shri is Ekaj. Di is Ekaj. Whereas Pradi is Anekaj. So Shri is Anekaj. Anekaj Anga. And Di Shabda, if you take, it is Avayava, that is Dhatu Avayava preceded by non-conjunct. Asanyoga Purvasya. Yes, so Shri is preceded by a conjunct. Okay. And the two sutras are given, 6477 and 6482. Achishno Dhatu Purvo, Yangavang, and Eraneka Satsanya Purvasya. Now, which one you will apply? Doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya. That also told.
6482.
6482. Why?
Because Anekach, any one condition is satisfied also, it will fall into that category. No?
It is Anekaj, yes. It is Sushri is Anekaj. Then
Sanyoga.
It is no Asayoga.
Asanyoga. Shri, it is Asanyoga Purvasya. Therefore, it is not Asanyoga Purvasya. Is it Asanyoga Purvasya?
No.
Chakara plus Repa plus E is that. Dhatu Avayava as the conjunct consonant. Therefore, you cannot apply 6482. You have to apply 6477 only.
But it's Anekach, no?
It is Anekaj, but conjunct. Dhatu Avayava has got conjunct. There is no condition for 6477 should be Ekaj or Anekaj. 6482, why can't apply that? For that we can give reason. But we cannot say why 6477 cannot be applied. 6482 cannot be applied. 6482 has a condition of, first the sutra should be very clear, 6482 and 6477. 6482 says the Anga should be Anekaj. Fine, Anga Anekaj. And the Dhatu Avayava must be non-conjunct. Here it is conjunct, therefore ruled out. 6482 cannot be applied. Simple. What about Achishtu Dhatu Purva? Is there any condition that it should be Anekaj or Ekaj? No. Is there any condition that should be preceded by a non-conjunct? No. Right? So that falls into the main basket, that is 6477 will apply. If understand.
Yes.
It's
clear.
But it should be Dhatuja. Dhatuja, na you apply Yenguanga Adesha.
That is okay. That is fine. What is Dhatuja has to do here? Everything Dhatuja. Okay, that is okay. One of this there from a Dhatu. Shri also did from a Dhatu only. Diya also did from a Dhatu only. Dhyayati. Understand? So therefore here you cannot apply 6482. Why can't be applied? For applying 6482, there are specific conditions. Anekaj alone is not sufficient. It should be
The condition
Asanyoga
should
Purva.
be
Both the conditions should be fulfilled. If any one of the conditions is not fulfilled, then 6477. Because it doesn't have any condition. What condition 6477 has? Please see. What condition 6477 has? Ajadi Vibhakti Pratyaya follows the Achishnu, Shnu, Dhatu, Guru. 6477. No conditions are there. Here. When follows the Shnu, Shnu is the Vikrana Pratyaya, we know. Fifth Gana. And Dhatu Sangikasya. This is what we saw, Dhatuja. And Bru, it's specifically Bru Shabda. What condition is here? Should it be Anekach? No such condition. Should it be Asanya Purvasya? No such condition. Whereas Air Anekach as condition should be Anekach, should be Asanyoga Purvasya. Here we don't have any condition. It can be Sanyoga, it can be Asanyoga, it can be Ekach or Anekach. But 6482 is Apavada to this. Therefore, if 6482 fulfills the condition, that you apply. If any of the conditions not fulfilled for applying 6482, then apply this. So by that logic, understand? 6477 will apply. Is it clear? Therefore, Iyang Adesha will come. So Ajadi Vibhakti Pratyaya Pare, E will be replaced by Ya. Is it clear?
Okay.
Yes.
That's one thing, this is discussed please in your class also. Whichever, I will repeat the same thing. Whatever I do, I will repeat the same thing in different words. So, for Iyang Adesha. And you can see here, Iyang Adesha comes, it's not a conjunct. It's a conjunct. Sanyoga. Asanyoga condition is not there. Therefore, you cannot apply 6482. Then why did you say 6482? Sumati.
I thought it's Anekach. Even if I thought other way around. Even if one condition is satisfied, you can take that.
No. Then why did Anekaj Asanyoga Purvasya? Please see the descriptions. Everything we have seen, all the sutras we have seen elaborately before, and I have written also. Okay, fine. We'll move on. Therefore, Iyang Adesha comes. Therefore, we'll get Sushriyav. Right? Sushrihi, Sushriyav. Sushri plus just. Once you understand, then it is simple. Then you need to apply 6477 throughout. Ajadi Vibhakti Pratyaya Ikara will be replaced by Iyang Adesha. Therefore, Sushriyav, Sushriyaha. Right? Then Sushri plus E is replaced by Iyang Adesha. Sushriyam. Sushri plus out. Sushriyav. Sushri plus Shas. Sushriyaha. Sushri plus Ta. Sushriya. Sushri plus Vyam. Sushri Vyam. Sushri Bihi. Here only this also I clarified. Ne. Now, does it enjoy Nikalpena Nadis? That is, look, only, please note this, only for the Nitya Strilinga Nadi Sangika Shabda only, Nitya Strilinga Shabda only, which doesn't enjoy Nadi Sangha, will enjoy Nadi Sangha optionally under this condition. Niti Pratyaya Pare Am. Sushri is not a Nitya Strilinga Shabda. Okay. Sushri is not a Nitya Strilinga Shabda, therefore it is, therefore it doesn't enjoy Nadi Sangha. But Prathama Linga Garganat is, you can say, like Di Shabda. But Shri itself is not Nadi Sangha. Then how can Sushri will be Nadi Sangha? Understand?
Okay.
That is negated. Simple. Compare with the Di. Di is Nitya Srilinga Shabda. Therefore, Prathama Linga Grahana, therefore Suddhi Nitya Srilinga it is Di Shabda also. See, Di also, if you take Di Shabda, Di Shabda gets what Adesha? Di Shabda gets Iyang Adesha, not Air Anekach. Di is, it is not Anekach. Because of not being Anekach, even though it is not Asanya, even though it is Asanyoga Purvasya, no Sanyoga, it is only Dakara alone is there, Dhatu Aveva. That only one is there, Dakara alone is Dakara plus E. But we don't apply Yen. It is because it is not Anekach, it is Ekach. Therefore, we apply 6477. Because we apply 6477 when Ajadi Vibhakti Pratyaya for us, Nadi Sangha is dismissed for Di Shabda. Right? Nadi Sangha is dismissed for Di Shabda. Nitya Srilinga Shabda, but doesn't enjoy Nadi Sangha. But when it comes to Sudhi, we are not, have we seen Sudhi? We are going to see that. Okay.
Okay.
Hold on. We are going to see that Sudhi. That time we will discuss this. Sudhi, when we say, that time it is Anekach. Anekach asanyoga purvasya. Therefore, N will apply. Because N applies, it is not Nadi Sangaka. It doesn't Nadi Sangha is not denied. Okay, anyway, you see that interesting point there. Sudhi, we have not seen. We have seen Pradi, we have not seen Sudhi. Sudhi, we will see. It's going to come later. Okay. Now let us do Sushri plus Nye. Sushri. So here you understand. It doesn't enjoy Nadi Sangha for the reason Shri Shabda is not Nadi Sangha Shabda. Simple. That is the reason. Sushri plus Bhyam. Sushri Bhyam. And also, please note, see here why we say she is not Nadi Sangha. We have taken the compound as Upapada Samasa. Sushtu Shayati iti Sushrihi. So there is no question of even Nadi Sangha. We cannot talk about Nadi at all here. Understand? If the compound is interpreted as Shobana Shrihi Yasya Saha, then we can say Shri Shabda. We can talk about Shri Shabda. Here, in fact, we cannot take. Please see the Vigrahavakya. Keep this Vigrahavakya in mind. Our derivation is based on this Vigrahavakya only now. Because we will do later. Shobana Shrihi also we will do. Understand?
Okay.
You follow?
Yes, Ji.
Is it clear, all of you? Here, Sushri does it enjoy Nadi Sangha? Where is the question of the Shabda enjoying Nadi Sangha? It is Dhatu here. Shayati. It is Dhatu. So, therefore, there is no question of, whether this is Nadi Sangha Shabda or not at all. No, it's not at all applicable here. Whereas Shobana Shrihi, when you say, that you can ask, does it enjoy Nadi Sangha or not? That we have to question. Understand? Here it is not. So this
Bahuvrihi Samasa means then we have to think of
that's true. Okay, you can take Bahuvrihi, but understand why Bahuvrihi Samasa. Why not Upapa Samasa? Because Bahuvrihi Samasa, the Shri Shabda is compound between two Padam and one is Subantam Padam. Here is a Upapada Samasa, compound between a Subanta and a Kridanta. And Dhatu, in fact, it is a Dhatu. Right?
Okay.
It is a Dhatu. Then where is Shri here? Because of Kupratya and because of Unari Sutra, the Shri Dhatu has become Shri. Right? It is not Dhatuttamna Jagati Shri. It is derived from the Dhatu. Therefore, it is Upapada Samasa. So therefore it doesn't enjoy Nadi Sangha. That's the reason, in fact, that's the main reason. Another by Bhagavari compound, there the Vigrahavakya, when we give differently, there only the question comes whether the Shabda is Nadi Sangha Shabda or not. Here it is not. Okay, please note this. You understand? You follow this. Because again, we Sushri comes, we discuss Nadi Sangha not. That itself is not valid here. Like we discussed Pradi, Prakashena, Dhyayati iti Pradi, right?
Yeah.
There the Jai Dhatu, from Jai Dhatu, we derive. But when we say Prakrishta Dihi, there it is different. Why? Because Di Shabda we take. Di Shabda is Nitya Strilinga Shabda, therefore extending that to Pradi also by Pratamalinga Karana, therefore we say that is also enjoy Nadi Sangha Shabda, right? But here it is not. Please understand. So there is no question of Nadi Sangha here. Just apply the 647 because that alone can be applied. N cannot be applied because of the Sanyoga. So Sushri plus Shas becomes Sushriyaha. Sushri plus Ta is Sushriya. Sushri Bhyam, Sushri Bhi, Sushri plus Nye. Nit Prataya Pare. No question of Nadi here. Just apply 6477. For the condition, it is preceded by conjunct, the Dhatu Aveva. Therefore, Sushriye, Sushri Bhyam, Sushri Bhyaha, Sushri plus Nasi. Sushri. Sushriyaha, Sushri plus Byam, Sushri Byaha. Then Sushri plus Nas, that also Sushriyaha. Yang Adesha Bhavati. Sushri plus O, Sushriyoho. Sushri plus Am, Sushriyam, just Yang Adesha. Sushri plus Ni, that is E. Sushri E, Yang Adesha, and then E is Pratyaya, Ajadi Vakti Pratyaya, just add Sushri. Then Sushri plus O, Sushri Yoho, Sushri plus Su, Sushri Shu, Shattam will happen. Conditions are fulfilled. In Koho, Adesha Pratyayoho. Therefore, Sushri Shu, then Sushri plus Su, Sushri Hi, Sushriyo, Sushriyaha. Is it clear? The Sushri Shabda as the Upapada Samasa. Sushtu Shayati iti Sushrihi. Here Shri, it is not as it is not a no, it is not the
Nadi Sanya.
Pratipadikam, it is the Dhatu. It is Upapada Samasa. Upapada Samasa. See, what is the difference between Upapada Samasa and Bahuri Samasa? Bahuri Samasa between two Subantam Padam. Right? Subantam Subantena Sagas Samasyate. What of Upapada? Upapada we are going to sing. Upapadam Ating. Right? Yeah. Upapadam combined with a Ating. Upapadam combined with a Padam which is derived from a Dhatu or Dhatu by the addition of Krit Pratyaya. So Upapadam is Upapada, Samasa is, that's a Samasa between Upapadam and Dhatu. Upapadam is like Upasarga. It's not like Upasarga. The Dhatu will be there and the Dhatu Krit Prakritika Pratipadikam. Krit Pratipadikam means Dhatu plus Krit Pratyaya and it will have Upapadam compound between them. Upapada Samasa. So there she is not the Srilinga Shabda. It is not a Shabda. So Shri as a whole, it is a Pratipadikam. And Shri is it is a Kridanta with the Su Upasarga, Upapadam, as Upapadam. Whereas the same Shabda when it is explained as interpreted as Bahurigi, there it becomes Su is one Subanta. Su is the Upasarga, it's a Subanta. Su means Shobhana Ityartaha. And Shri is another word. So both combines. Anyapada Pradana, therefore Shobhana, Shri, Yasyasaha, iti we give the Vigraha Vakya. There Su combines with the Shri. Shri is a Subantam Padam. Su Subantam Padam. Shri Shabdena Saha Samasyate. Samartena Shabdena Samasyate Samasaga Bhavati. And it doesn't denote Su or Shri, it is Anyapada Pradana. So Shri, the one who has Shobhana Shri, that person is called Shri, right? So therefore, there we will discuss what the Shabda enjoys Nadi Sanya or not. But here it is not. Therefore, because it is not, Rupam will be same. Napumsakalinga will be different. Okay, Napumsakalinga, the Rupam will be different, at least for Pullinga. At least for, yeah. In fact, it is Napumsakalinga also, I think it will be same only. Yeah. In fact, if you on all the three linga, the form would be same. So Shri. Sumo Napumsakat look. Sumo Napumsakat look will apply for that is Napum, suppose Srilinga it is same. Suppose if you take it as Napumsakalinga. Napumsakalinga, it is yeah, the form will be different. Sorry, form will be different. And Napumsakalinga form would be different. But in all the linga, there is no question of this Nadi Singha. Okay, that was the point. Yeah. Srilinga also will be declined like this. Yes. Srilinga also doesn't enjoy Nadi Singha. Therefore, the Rupam would be same as Pullinga if we take the compound as Upapada Samasa. Now, the same Shabda, we will take it as Bhagavrihi. You understand this Shabda? All of you.
Yes, Ji.
Yes, sir.
Of course, you have to do homework. Okay, if you have to go back and study again. Huh? That's why I asked in the beginning itself whether you remember what we discussed before. And last week we didn't have class also. So we'll move on to the next session, next one, other form, right?
Yes, Ji.
Yeah. Oh, 19A, this is 19B. It looks like a bus number, huh? Looks like a bus number, okay. Anyway, so Shri, Ikarantaha, Pullingaha, Sushri, Shabdaha. Now taking the Vigraha Vakya as Shobana, Shrihi, Yasya Saha. Here, Shri Shabda is a, that is why no, yeah, we have to discuss whether the Shabda is Nadi Sanya or not. In the case of previous one, it is not, there is no Shri, it is only Shayati. That is the reason. Okay. Lagu Brigi, it should be Raswa. Okay. Lagu Brigi. Here also the forms of Shushi, this is forms of Shushi is common for Pullinga and Shailinga. Pullinga and Strilinga. But not for Napumsakalinga. I mean, yeah. So here you see, the form will be same as the previous one. Why? I have not explained. I mean, it's not that I have explained. I mean, for the reasons already told. Sushri is, you tell me, Sushri, does it enjoy Nadi Sanya or not?
No Nadi Sanya. Because Shri itself is not Nadi Sanya.
Shri itself is not Nadi Sanya Shabda. Therefore, there is no question of Pratama Linga Grahana, right? Because Shri Shabda getting Yengunga Desha. Therefore, it is not Nadi Sanya Shabda. And Sushri also will not be Nadi Sanya Shabda, right?
Yeah.
Not Nadi Sanya. Now, Nadi Sanya is, that is dismissed. Therefore, there is no Annadyaha and all those things will not apply. Ngegayam Nadyam Ibhya will not apply. Now, so Shri plus Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya Pare. 6477, Achishnu Dhatu Burvam or 6482. Eranaika Chasanyaka Purvasi. Which one will apply? So Shri is Anekach. Anga. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
And Dhatu Abheva is preceded by a conjunct. Therefore, you cannot apply N. You cannot apply 6482. Therefore, you have to apply
127.
Yang. Therefore, form is same as the previous one. Right? That will not discuss separately. Therefore, Sushri, whether you interpret as Upapada Samasa or Bhaguvrigi, the form happens to be same. Right?
Okay.
Understand?
Yes.
Is it clear? Huh? Why is
Yes.
it dull? Understand of you. Okay. So the form is same. Okay, think.
Ji, my doubt is to find out.
Yes.
When we find out Anekach, that time we take the full samasa, full compound.
Anga.
See, Anekaj, Ekaj is, forget about the compound. Whatever may be the compound. Anekaj, Rekachi means Anga we are talking about. We are not talking about the Dhatu. 6477, 6482, under what Adhigara, what section, what Adhigara it is? Angasya. So, Anga only we are talking about Ekaj or Anekaj. Anga means it includes Upasarga also. Upasarga, whether it's Upasarga or whatever maybe the word. Here it is not Upasarga. Shobana is another Subantama. It's a compound. So you have to take the whole thing. Okay. And when we say Asanyoga means the Anga ending with Ikara or Ukara preceded by a non-conjunct. And here the Anga happens to end with the Dhatu. That is why he said Dhatu Avayava of the Anga. And the Dhatu ending with Ikara Ukara preceded by a non-conjunct, then Yanadesha. Otherwise, Yangadesha.
Okay, okay, ji.
And if it is not Anekach, then also Yangadesha. For Yanadesha to apply, both the conditions must be there. Should be Anekachanga, and the Dhatu Abhayava of the Anga must be preceded by a non-conjunct. Remember Shri, counter-example Shri. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Still, are they doubt lurking, huh?
Only that was my doubt. Which formula to apply, that is easy. Only
Okay.
the
Okay.
understood.
Already, some short summary in I have written already. Okay. The notes of Pagala, go through the notes, short summary thing before some under some Shabda I have written. Anyway, now next Shabda we'll take. Yavakri. What is Yavakri? Yava is barley, I think. Right? So, Yava, not Tamil Yava. Yava, Nanda Yava. Yava is barley. Right? So, Yavakri means Yavan. Krinati, the one who buys Yavakri. Now, let us analyze this Shabda. You tell me. Yavakri, Ekachanga or Anekachanga? Come, Ishwar, you answer. Yavakri, Ekachanga or Anekachanga?
Anekach.
No doubt. Okay, Anekach, so many words are there. And you tell me, Asanyoga Purva, Asanyoga Purva?
Sanyoga.
Therefore, Sanyoga, Kri is Krinati.
Yeah, Kri is preceded by Yava. So it is.
Kri preceded by?
That Yava, that is there. So it is Sanyoga.
No.
Ikara.
No, what is Sanyoga? Kri preceded by Yava, Sanyoga, what is the no logic? There's no meaning. Yava Kri is Anekach, okay. Kri is a Dhatu, right? That Ikara, the Anga ending with Ikara, and the Dhatu Avayava of the Anga ending with Ikara, preceded by Dhatu Avayava as God. Kakara plus Repa, Sanyoga is there. Dhatu Avayava ending with Ikara, Rukara, preceded by a conjunct. Here it is Kakara plus Repa, conjunct. Sanyoga is there. Even though it is an Ekach, but it is Sanyoga. Therefore, Yanadesha
6477. And 6477.
Yanadesha will not apply. 6482 will not apply. Young one has to be applied. Because 6482 conditions, both the conditions have to be fulfilled. Not there. Okay.
Okay.
Now this is Kri derived from the Dhatu. This Shabda is derived from the Dhatu. Dukriin. This is ninth Gana. Krinati, Krinitaha, Krinanti. Drabya Vinimaye. Kri to buy. So Yava Karma. That is a karma. Yava Karma means that it's a Karma Upapada. Karmani. The object of buying is Yava. So Yavan Krinati. Yava Karma Upapadat. Upapada Samasa. Dukring Dhatu. Hukti Prataya Bhavati. Therefore, you get Yavakri. This is also not Niyanta. Therefore, Sulopaha Nabhavati. Here, does it enjoy Nadi Sanya? Can we, the question of Nadi Sanya comes here or not? Does it arise here?
No, because it is a Dhatu.
It is Dhatu. Therefore, where is the Nadi Sanya here? No. So forget about that. So just apply 6477, you get the forms. Yavan Krinati iti Yavakrihi. Therefore, Yavakri plus Su is Yavakrihi. Yavakri plus Au is E is replaced by Yangadesha. Yavakriyau. Yavakri plus just Yavakriyaha. Right?
Yes.
Yavakri plus Yavakriyam. Yavakri plus Au, Yavakriyau. Yavakri plus Shas, Yavakriyaha. Yavakri plus Ta, Yavakriya. Yavakri plus Bhyam, just to join. Yavakri Bhyam, Yavakri Bihi. Yavakri plus nye. Yavakriye, Yavakribhyam, Yavakribhyaha, Yavakriyaha, Yavakribhyam, Yavakribhyaha, Yavakriyaha, Yavakriyoho, Yangadesha, therefore Yavakriyoho. Yavakri, Yavakriyam, then Yavakri plus E, Yavakri, then Yavakriyoho, Yavakrishu Shatvam. Sambodhana Yavakrihi, Yavakriyo, Yavakriyaha, eta Pratama Vibhaktihi. Okay, this also you can see. Pullinga, Shrilinga, Rupam is same. So, Ikarantaha, Yavakri Shabdaha. Shrilinga also here, like one of these things here, the form will be same. Napumsakalinga, of course, it is Sulopa, null will happen, that we have to see. Anyway, not required for Napumsakalinga, you can note this, right? So, you can see the form. The form also same as Sushri Shabda. So, all are same. Yavakri, you can see Kri and Shri. Both are Sanyoga, Sanyoga Purva. Therefore, forms are same. So, Shri also doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya, here also doesn't enjoy. So, same. Understand?
Yes.
Next Shabda. Interesting. Shuddhadi. Shuddhadi. How will you interpret the compound? We have seen Shuddhadi, Mandadi and all. Mandadi, etc. in the Mudadi, Muda, Dihi, etc. Mudadihi. Similarly, Shuddhadihi, etc. So here, it's it here the question of Nadi Sanya arises or not?
Dhi is there. So
He is
yes.
there. Therefore, we have to discuss. Yes, we have to discuss whether it is Nadi Sangita Shabda or not. Now here, we need to know some sutra. Gatischa. Gatischa is in 1460. So this is Shuddha Dihi Yasya Saha. What is Gati? You know, Upasarga Upasargaha Kriya Yoge. That is, that's what in fact our Samasa class you will see, Pradayaha, Pradi Tat Purusha, Pradi, that is Kugati Pradeha, the next one. If we take the Sutra Pata, Akadarat Eka Sanya, 1-4 section. There we have 1-4-56 you take. Pragrishvara Nipataha. Nipatas are, Nipatanam is different, Nipata is different. Okay. Nipatas are Avyaya. Swaradi Nipatam, Avyayam, right? They are Avyaya.
Okay.
Like Su, Pra, all these are Avyaya. Upasargas are Avyaya, right? You cannot decline that.
Yeah.
Swaradi Nipatam, Avyayam. So Pragrishvara, starting from here up to 97th Sutra. That's what Harishvara. In fact, 97th Sutra, if you see. 97th is up to, sorry, 97, that is, Nipataha goes up to 97. Pragrishvara, that is, it goes from here, yeah, 97. Adirishvara, yeah, 97, yes. Adirishvara, Rishvara is there, up to that. Pragrishvara. That sutra is like that. Here it is taken Adihi, not Ishvare, Rishvare. So Prat Rishvara means before 97 or 97 included. We have to see whether it is Maryada or Abhividi. So all these all these get the Sanya Nipata. Prag Rishvara, that is up to the Sutra 97. Whatever mentioned here, they get the Sanya Nipata, and we know Nipata Sarabhya. Under this we have Pradeha. Pradeha only we have some 20 odd Upasarga. They are not Upasarga. Please note. Pradeha, Pra, Pari, Para, all those things are right, Ni, etc. They get Upasarga Sanya when it is Kriya Yoge, the Kriya Padam. Anugachati, Praharati, right? So they get Upasarga. The Pradeha get Upasarga Sanya when associated with Kriya, action. So Pradeha, if you see Pradigara, some 20 21 upasarga words will be there. That's called pradaya. They get the sanya upasarga. And also gatischa. Gatischa meaning chakarat upasarga also. So it gets sanya gati also. So now coming back here. By the sutra gatischa, right, 1460. The words pra, etc. Pradaya. Pradigana, whatever the words are there. They're all avyaya, nipata avyayam. They're also called gati by this sutra, gatischa. When in associated with a verb. So upasargaha kriya yoge, it gets a sanya upasarga also and gati also. Gati sanyakascha pradayaha bhavanti. Pradayaha get a sanya gati also. Why also? Because it gets upasarga sanya also. That's why gatischa chakaraha astya atra asmin sutre. So gati sanyakaha cha bhavanti pradayaha kriya yoge. This is Kashika Varti. That is enough. We will not more than this is much enough for the sutra. Now, why we are discussing Gati? Important. So, Gati means it is the Pradaya. Gati Sangakaha Bhavati. When only with Kriya Yoga. Otherwise, no. Please note. Only with the Kriya Yoga get the Sangya Gati Pradaya. Otherwise, it will not get. Okay. Now here, Shuddha Dihi. Shuddha Dihi. Anyway, it is not Pradaya. Is it Pradaya Shuddha? There is no question of Pradaya, right?
Yeah.
Prada has got Upasarga. We know the Upasargas we have seen, right?
Yes, 22.
Pani, etc. All those things are there. Shuddha is not good. Now, that is the reason why we discuss here. That the Vartikam, it says, Gati Karaketara Purva Padasya Yan Neshyate. You have to understand the Vartika clearly. Gati Karaka Itara Purva Padasya. Itara means other than. If the Purva Pada in the compound, if it is other than Gati, Gati Sanya will come only when Kriya is there. Kriya Yoga. Right? Here there is no Kriya Yoga. Kriya, not Kriya Yoga means don't Paramamsa Yogananda. Don't think Paramamsa. Kriya Yoga means associated with the verb. In composition with the verb. So then only it is Gati. So here it is not Kriya Dhatu at all. Therefore Gati Sanya is not there. And Karaka. Whether it is enjoy, Karaka Sanya, will give some example also. Other than that, if these two, Gati and Karaka, if it other than these two, then Gati Karaka Itara Purva Padasya, right? It means it is, if it is Purva Padam, if it is neither a Gati, right? Itara Purva Padasya, other than Gati. It means neither a Gati nor a Karaka, then Yanadesha will not apply. Yanadesha means Yanadesha by Air Anekacho Asanyoga Purvasya will not apply. This is what the Vartikam says. You understand the Vartikam? First understand the Vartikam.
Yes.
Then only because this Vartika negates Yanadesha for the word which has the Purapadam, and the Purapadam must be
It should
neither
not Karaka.
Karaka. If it is other than Gati, other than Karaka, then Yanadesha will, say, if it is Gati or Karaka, then only Yanadesha will apply.
Okay.
If it is other than Gati or Karaka, then Yanadesha will not apply. If Yanadesha doesn't apply, then what will apply? Achishnudhatu will apply. You understand this, Vartikam?
Yes,
So now there are 4 conditions. 6 was 8.
So this Ashikakara says, this Vartikakara says, Yanadesha is negated for the Purva Padam when it is not a Gati or Karaka. Now here, Shuddha is a Gati? No. Is it a Karaka? No. Therefore, Yanadesha is negated. Shuddhadihi yasya saha. How did we decline Pradi? Now you can recall Pradi. How did we decline Pradi Shabda? Pradi Shabda, there when Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya follows, what did we do? Prakarshena Dhyayati iti.
Okay.
Or, there what we do? What we did there?
Only we should take, no? Bahuvrihi only.
Yeah, there. So here, see, Pradi Shabda, you recall. There we have two forms. A, B, right?
Yeah.
Prakarshena Dhyayati iti. Pradi, there is no question of Nadi Sanya, therefore you just do the Enadesha we did. Right? Enadesha. Aneka Chasanyoga Purvasya, therefore Enadesha. If you take it as a Bhagavrihi, Prakrishtadihi yasya saha, like Shuddhadihi yasya saha, then what happens there? This Shabda is Nitya Srilinga Shabda, right? Which is Nitya Srilinga,
Prathama Grahanamya Ityanena, Pradi also will get.
exactly. See, the Shabda is Nitya Srilinga, but Nadi Sangaka Shabda not. Why? Because it gets Yangavang Adesha. Right? What about Pradi? See, the Shabda getting Yangavang Adesha because it is not Anekach. Whereas Pradi is Anekach. Therefore, Yangavang Adesha is negated. Because Yangavang Adesha not there, therefore Pradi Shabda enjoys Nadi Sanya. That's why Pradi Shabda, when we decline, Pradi Shabda we have seen, you have to recall. Okay, just I'll try to confuse with Pradi so that we can come to Shuddhadi. Just go back and see. Pradi we have seen, right? Before. I think we discussed just now also. Which Shabda we discussed that also. Okay, here you can see here. Why we get Pradyai? Pradyai means Nadi Sangika Shabda. Please see for the reasons given here. So if you see Pradi Shabda is the Shabda as such. If you take, it is Ikarantaha, Strilingaha, but this Shabda by 6477, when Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya follows, Yang Adesha it gets, therefore, Nadi Sanya is negated and Vikalpena Nadi Sanya Bhavati, Niti Pratyaya Pare, Ami Pratyaya Pare. For the reason, the reason for getting Yang Adesha is that the Shabda, if you take, getting Yang Adesha is, it is not Anekach. But once you have Pradi, it is Anekach. Right? It is Anekach. And Asanyoga Purvasya. Therefore, Yang Adesha it will not get. Because it doesn't get Yang Adesha, therefore it will enjoy Nadi Sanya. Because it will enjoy Nadi Sanya, therefore Nadi's related rules will apply. That is the reason for Pradi, we saw Pradyai, etc. Understand? You follow what I'm saying? Just by adding the Upasarga prior, Pradi Shabda becomes Anekach because it is Anekach, Asanyoga Purvaha, therefore Yan applies. 6/82 is applicable. Because 6/82 is applicable, Yang is not applicable, right? Therefore, Nadi Sanya is not negated. Di Shabda Nadi Sanya is negated, but Pradi Shabda Nadi Sanya is not negated. Therefore, Nadi's related rules will come. Therefore, An Nadyaha is applied. Therefore, like stealing Nadi Shabda, Pradyai, Pradyaha, etc. comes. Understand? This is what I was saying. That only the internet went away. You follow?
Yes,
Okay, understand the difference. That's what I just I started with that only in the beginning. I said the same thing. Di Shabda, Pradi Shabda, I understand. Di Shabda, Ekach. Pradi Shabda is Anekach. Even though it is Asanyoga Purvasya, because there is no Asanyoga Purva, right? So, but still, if Di Shabda alone, if you take, you cannot apply Yenna Desha, it will get Yenga Desha. Because it get Yenga Desha, therefore Nadi Sanya negated. But Pradi is Anekach. It is Asanyoga Purvaha. Therefore, Yenga Desha is negated. Yenna Desha will apply. Because Yenna Desha will apply. Yang is negated. Therefore, Nadi Sanya is not negated. Because this Shabda is Shilinga Shabda and Pradi is, it's Pratamalinga Garhanam, that negation is, the negation, the Nadi Sanya is not negated. The reason for even Nadi Sanya negated for Di Shabda is it is Ekach. The reason for Nadi Sanya not negated for Pradi is it is Anekach. That is the logic. Therefore, you get Inadesha. Inadesha is Inadesha is, I mean, not Inadesha. Inadesha is not applied, not applicable. Therefore, Nadi Sanya is not negated. Therefore, Pradi Shabda gets the Nadi Sanya related sutra will apply. Now, Shuddha Di use take now. Shuddha Di is Shuddha Dihi Yasya Saha. The same thing here also. Di Shabda as such is gets Yengong Adesha. But Shuddha Di is Anekach and Asanyanga Purvaha. Therefore, Yang Adesha it will not get. Forget about Inadesha. Yang Adesha will not get. Therefore, what will happen? Because it doesn't get Yang Adesha, therefore Shuddhadi will get enjoy the Sanya. Should enjoy Nadi Sanya, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
But this Vartika says Gati Karaka Itara Pura Padasya N Nishyate, N Na Ishyate. If N is negated, then what choice is there when Ajari Bhakti Pratyaya follows? Therefore, Nadi Sanya not there. Simple. Understand? Therefore, Nadi Sanya not there. Once it gets Yang Adesha, where is Nadi Sanya? That is why I compared with the Pradeep. You understand? This Vartika negates Enadesha if the Purapadam is not a Gati or Karaka. Here, neither a Gati nor Karaka. Therefore, Enadesha will not apply. If Enadesha doesn't apply, when Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya follows, what will apply? What will apply? Yangadesha, right? Once it gets Yangadesha, will it enjoy Sanya?
Nadi Sanya will not be there.
Not there. Therefore, Anadhyaha, etc. will not apply. Right? So what do you get? The form will be 6 for 77 you apply. Shuddha Dihi, Shuddha Diyo, Shuddha Diyaha. Right? Understand?
Yes.
That is why this sutra I introduced here. Gatischa and Vartika. So Gati Karaka Itara Purva Padasya, if other than Gati or Karaka is there, right? Then Yanadesha will not apply. It means only when it is Gati or Karaka, Yanadesha will apply. When Yanadesha applies, Yangadesha will not come. Then in that case, it will enjoy Nadi Sanya. But here, in this case, Shuddha is neither a Gati nor a Karaka. Therefore, Yanadesha not applied. If Yanadesha is not applied, when Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya follows, Yang will apply. Right? When Yang applies, doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya. Here, the Shuddha is neither a Gati. Gati already I defined. Pradayaha Gati Bhavati Kriya Yoge. Not a Gati. And Karaka, it is not any of the Karaka, Karta, Karma, Karana, etc. Therefore, Enadesha will not apply. And what will apply? Yengadesha by Ajishrudhatu Bruvang will apply. Therefore, Nadi Sanya is negated. If you want, I can write. Therefore, Nadi Sanya is negated for Shuddha. You have to go through this again. You have to think and understand this. Next time. Shuddhadi plus Su. Shuddhadihi. It is also not Niyanta. Therefore, Su Lopahana Bhavati by 6168. Shuddhadi plus Au. Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya Pare. Since it is Yanadesha cannot be applied because Shuddha is neither Gati nor Karaka. Therefore, you apply 6 for 77 Shuddhadiyau. Shuddhadi plus just Shuddhadiyaha. Shuddhadi plus Shuddhadiyam. Shuddhadi plus Out. All these are simple. Shuddhadiyau. Shuddhadi plus Shas. Shuddhadiyaha. Shuddhadi plus Ta. Shuddhadiya. Shuddhadi Byam. Shuddhadi Bihi. Shuddhadi plus Nye. Shuddhadiye. Di alone will get option in Adisanya. But here it is, please note, Di alone will get option in Adisanya. When Giti Pratyaya, that is only for Nitya Srilinga Shabda, not for other Shabda. Here, if you think Shuddhadi, why not Shuddhadi? Shuddhadi is not Nitya Srilinga Shabda, it is Pullinga Shabda. Therefore, that optionality is not there. Okay. Shuddhadi Byam, Shuddhadi Byaha, Shuddhadi plus Nasi, Shuddhadiyaha, Shuddhadi Byam, Shuddhadi Byaha, Shuddhadi plus Nas, Shuddha-diyaha, Yangadesha. Shuddha-di plus Os, 6477 Yangadesha, therefore Shuddha-diyoho. Shuddha-di plus Am, Shuddha-diyam. Shuddha-di plus Ni, form would be Yang, Shuddha-di. Shuddha-diyoho, Shuddha-dhishu, Shatvam. Then E Shuddha-dihi, E Shuddha-diyo, E Shuddha-diyaha. Understand?
Yes, dear.
कारक संज्ञा भावात् यन न इष्यते अतः यंग भवति अतः नदी संज्ञा न भवति नदी संज्ञा भावात् नदी संज्ञा का संबंध सूत्राणि नदी संज्ञा सूत्राणि अत्र न भवन्ति. Therefore the form is very simple. Therefore you have like di shabda without nadi संज्ञा form is the diye diya diye diyaha diyaha, that will apply. Simple. Similarly, we can take the other shabda, Shuddhadi, Mandadi. No, okay. Another form, Shuddhadi. Let us see. This is another Shuddhadi. 21b. From Paris corner to Mylapur, this is 21b. Shuddham Dhyayati it is. Shuddham, what tamasa is that?
Upapada Samas.
Here di shabda, does it enjoy any sanya? No, it is not a, first of all, it's not a shabda. It is not a strilinga word at all. It's a verb, right? So upapada samasa. There is no question. Now here, by the Vartika, now let us see. Here, the same, Shuddhadi, Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya, the question comes. Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya follows, what will apply? Yang Adesha or Yan,
Yanadesha.
the same, the doubt comes. Because Anekaj, fine. Anekaj it is Asanyaga Purvaha. Therefore, Yanadesha is supposed to come, right? But Vartika is there, the same Vartika. Gatikara Kaitara Purva is Yanna Ishyate, which says if it is neither a Gati nor a Karka, Yanadesha will not apply. If Yanadesha doesn't apply, then what will apply? Sorry, but here, okay, Shuddham Dhyaya, Shuddham is a karma, okay. Shuddham Dhyayati iti, Shuddham Dhyayati iti, Shuddhadi, not, it's a karma, not a, it's not, sorry, it's not a gati, but it's a karma. Shuddham is a karma, karmani upapade. What does he meditate? He meditates on Shuddham, Shuddham Atma Brahma, you can say, right? Shuddha Brahma, Parat Pararam, Shuddham, that referring to the object of meditation, karma, karmani upapade. So Shuddha is a karma karaka, therefore Yanadesha is not negated. Please note, here in this Vakya, Shuddham is karma karaka. If it is a karma karaka, Yanadesha is negated or not negated?
Not negated.
Therefore Yanadesha will apply. Understand? Therefore this Shabda is different from the previous one. This is why this is example I was telling that karma will come later, I said. Example. Right? Shuddham is a karma. Similarly, this modadi, not modadi, we'll see some other compound also. Here, Shuddham Dhyayati. Another word, we'll see that. Even in the website, he has given the example. Paramam Dhyayati, Paramam Brahma Dhyayati iti Paramadihi. That also same thing. You'll see another example. So, here Shuddham is a karaka, karma karaka, karmani upapada it is. Therefore, Yanadesha will come.
Okay.
Yangadesha will not come. Therefore, what will the form now? Shuddha di plus so is Shuddha dihi, Shuddha di plus au.
Shuddha Dhyau.
Shuddha dhyau. This compound will be like this. The form will be like this. Shuddha dhyau. Not Shuddha dhyau. Shuddha dhyau previously. When it is not a gati, not karaka, N doesn't apply, therefore Yangadesha. But here it is that karaka, karma karaka, therefore Yan ishyate. Yan ishyate is negated. Okay. So Shuddha dhyau. Shuddha di plus just Shuddha dyaha. You follow?
Yes, dear.
Yes, dear.
Shuddha di plus Shuddha dhyam. Shuddhadi plus out, Shuddhadyau. Shuddhadi plus shas, Shuddhadyaha. 6482. Yanadesha is 6482. Previously 6477. Here 6482. Because Shuddha is Karmakaraka. Shuddhadi plus ta, Shuddhadya, Shuddhadibhyam, Shuddhadibihi. That's same. Shuddhadi plus
Shuddhadye.
Shuddhadye, Shuddhadibhyam, Shuddhadibhyaha, Shuddhadyaha, Shuddhadibhyam, Shuddhadibhyaha, Shuddhadyaha, Shuddhadyoho, Shuddhadhyam, Shuddhadi, here Shuddhadi, difficult to pronounce also. Shuddhadi, Shuddhadyoho, Shuddhadishu, then ye Shuddhadihi, ye Shuddhadyo, ye Shuddhadyaha. 6482 apply. Right?
Yes.
What about in Srilinga? Srilinga also same. There's no question of Srilinga, right? Srilinga also, Shabda, this for this would be same. Therefore, Ikarantaha, okay, Pullingaha I was given here, Shuddhadi Shabda. This is second Shuddhadi. So depending on the compound, we have to give the meaning. If it is Shuddhadi Yasya Saha, then Yang Adesha Bhavati. If it is Shuddham Jayati, then Yana Adesha Bhavati, because Shuddha is the Karma Karaka. That is the summary. Okay. Now I'll give one Shabda. Mandadi, tell me what will happen here. Mandadi. Mandam Jayati, we cannot take, it doesn't, nobody meditates on Manda. Manda, possible, if the situation comes. Manda is, it's not Mahaprana, Alpa Prana. So here, what it will be? The one whose buddhi is Manda. Then tell me, 6482 or 6477? The topic is only 6487 or 6482. Forget about Nadi. The topic is that only.
6482.
So here what will happen? It is Mandadi
27. Is it not, is it a karakam? No. Is it not a Jati
Mandadihi,
also?
yes. I said Mandadihi, yes, Saha. It is not Mandam Jayati. If you take Mandam Jayati, possible, but Mandadihi, yes, Saha. You take that. Then neither Gati, nor Karaka. N will not apply. Therefore, Ian. Yes. Mandadihi, yes, Saha. The same. It is Gati, it is neither a Gati nor a Karaka. Gati Karake Tarapura Padesi Yanna Ishyate. Therefore, here Anekacho, Sanyaga Purvasi will not apply. Then what will apply? 647 will apply when Ajadi Vakti Pratya follows. Manda is neither a Gati nor a Karakam. If you take Mandam Dhyayati, suppose possibility is there, then Yan will apply. Okay. Yanadesha here, Yanadesha will not apply. Okay. Because it is neither a Gati nor a Karakam, Yangadesha will apply. Therefore, the form is Mandadihi, Mandadiyo, Mandadiyaha. Okay, let us stand this. Ikarantaha, Strilingaha, Mandadhi, Shabdaha.
Ikarantaha, Pullingaha,
Sorry.
Mandadi, Shabdaha.
Strilinga also will be same only. Okay. Mandadihi, Mandadiyo, Mandadiyaha.
Sir, ella Alpa Prana podana illi.
Yes, mistake. Mandadihi, Mandadiyo, Mandadiyaha.
Mandadihi, Mandadiyo, Mandadiyaha.
Mandadiyam, Mandadiyo, Mandadiyaha.
Mandadiyam, Mandadiyo, Mandadiyaha.
Mandadiya, Mandadibhyam, Mandadibihi.
Mandadiyam, Mandadibhyam, Mandadibihi.
Mandadiye, Mandadibhyam, Mandadibhyaha.
Mandadiye, Mandadibhyam, Mandadibhyaha.
Mandadiyaha, Mandadibhyam, Mandadibhyaha.
Mandadiyaha, Mandadibhyam, Mandadibhyaha.
Mandadiyaha, Mandadiyoho, Mandadiyam.
मन्दधियः मन्दधियोः मन्दधियां
Mandadihi, mandadiyoho, mandadishu.
मन्दधी
मन्दधियोः
मन्दध्योः
मन्दधीषु
मन्दधीषु
E mandadihi, e mandadiyo, e mandadiyaha.
हेमन्तधीः हेमन्तधियो
हेमन्दधियो
हेमन्तधियः
हेमन्दधियः
Similarly, Tikshnadi. What will the compound? The compound I myself have shown. Okay. Tikshnadihi yasya saha. So the rupam would be same as Mandadi. Here also what will apply? Tikshna is neither a karaka nor a gati, therefore yan will not apply. Yang Desha will apply. Therefore the rupam will be same. Right? Tikshna. Tikshnadihi, Tikshnadiyo, Tikshnaδιyaha. The one who has got the buddhi, sharp buddhi, sharp intellect. Right? Tikshnadi. Similarly, Sukshmadi. Here we can say Sukshmam Dhyayati, you can say Sukshma Vastu. If you say Sukshmam Dhyayati, then it is karma. Then Yan will come. Enadeshaha. But here I have taken the Garhavakya to be Bahuvrihi, Sukshmadihi, the one whose intellect. Right? Like in Kathopanishad. Said Sukshma, Sukshmataram. So that no, it comes walking on the razor's edge. That Sukshma Buddhi is required. The Sukshma Dihi Yasya if you take, then it is it will get Yang Adesha, not Yan. Here Sukshma is neither a Gati nor a Karaka. Therefore Yang Adesha will come. The Rupam will be same as the previous one, Shuddhadi or Tikshnadi. Sukshma Dihi, Sukshma Diyo, Sukshma Diyaha iti Rupam. Right? Same, simple one. What about Paramadi? Paramam. Here we cannot. Can you say Parama Dihi Yasya, the one whose Dihi is Parama? Possible. Paramam is Utkrishtam
Shreshtam.
Ityartaha. You can say that again depending on the context. But here Paramam is Paramam Brahma we can take. Param Brahma Dhyayati. Iti Paramadihi. In fact, in the website it is given, this example is given for the Eranekaj. I took this Paramadi from there only. Interesting. Okay. Let us read this sutra. Eranekaj Asyoga Purvasya. Dhatvanta Aneka Changasya. Please see. Very clearly is given. Aneka Changasya and is Aneka Changa ending with the Dhatu. Then the Dhatu which is an Aveva of the Anga. Asanyoga Purvasya Ivarnasya. Dhatu ending with. Here only Ikara I talked about because what is Yehe? Shashti Bhakti of E, right? Tasmin Sthana Eva Yanadesha Bhavati Ajadi Bhakti Pratyaya Pare Ajadi Pratyaya Pare Yanadesha Bhavati. So, Asya Sutra se Artham Kinchit Klishtaha Asti. That Klishta already we experienced. Ataha Kramena Pashyamaha. Anena Sutrena Ajadi Pratyaya Pare Yanadeshaha Bhavati Tuktaha Asti. Kasi Yanadeshaha Atra Sthani Asti Asanyoga Purvasya Ege Dhatoho Ikaranta Ivarnanda Dhatoho Dhatoho iti Vishesham Asanyoga Purvasya Tata Ege iti Visheshane Pratamam Visheshanam Asti Ege, that is Ikara. Ata Etat Itasya Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam Asti, we know Ege Dhatoho Itikte Ivarnanta Dhatoho Yena Vidhi Dadantasya, by that Ivarnanda Dhatoho, you have to take it. Then will the entire dhatu or anga will be replaced? No. By alontasya paribhasha we know antasya alagastane adesha bhavati. What adesha? Yanadeshaha. Alontasya ityanena asya ivarnanta dhatoho antima varnasya ivarnasya stane yanadesha bhavati. Now then dhatoho asya dvitiya visheshanam api atra prayuktam asti asanyoga purvaha ityukte, that is for the visheshanam for the dhatu. That very particularly for the dhatu, Visheshanam for the dhatu. Ityukte saha dhatuhu yasya antima ivarnat purvaha sanyoga asti. Sanyoga, sorry, nasti, asanyoga purvasya. Kim nama sanyoga we know? Alonantara sanyoga. conjunct consonant. Dvayoho vyanjanayoho swaram vina uchcharanam संयोग संज्ञां प्राप्नोति. अतः अत्र स्थानिनः वर्णं कथं कृतम् अस्ति? सः धातुः यस्य अन्ते यवर्णः अस्ति तथा यस्मिन् धातुः यवर्णात् पूर्व संयोगः नास्ति. एतादृशस्य धातोः अन्तिम यवर्णस्य स्थाने अच् प्रत्ययपरे यनादेशः भवति. Fine. It's all clear, right? अयं स्थानी अनेकाचङ्गस्य भवेत् इति उक्तम् अस्ति. Only for the अनेकाचङ्ग. If it is ekach, will not apply. इयं सम्बन्धषष्ठी अत्र वर्णितः धातुः अनेकाचङ्गस्य अवयवः भवेत् इति आवश्यकम्. अनेकाच् इत्युक्ते सः शब्दः यस्मिन् द्वौ वा अधिकाः स्वराः सन्ति. More than one vowel should be there. And this is pada angadhikara. Padangadhikara, this paribhasha also we have seen. Tasya cha tadantasya anaya paribhashaya anekacha angasya dhatoh ityukte anekacha angasya ante vidyamanasya dhatoh iti arthaha nishpadyate. That is why we can take it is not only for the dhatu, for the word ending with the dhatu also. Right? Tadantasya pada angadhikare tasya cha tadantasya cha iti. अतः च सूत्रस्य संपूर्ण अर्थः अयम्. This is the complete meaning. What? यत्र अंगम अनेकाच् अस्ति. अंग is अनेकाच्. तत्र तस्य अंगस्य अन्ते यदि वर्णान्त संयोग पूर्व धातुः विद्यते. धातु अवयव is there at the end. And the धातु ending with यवर्णा. तर्हि तस्य धातोः यवर्णस्य अजादि व्यक्ति प्रत्यय परे यनादेशः भवति. कश्चन उदाहरणानि पश्यामः. Already we have seen सेनानि. Right? Senani, ni is ekach. But anga is anekach. You have to see the anga, not the dhatu. And the dhatu is asanyanga purvaha. Therefore, what will apply? 6-4. This 82 will apply. We don't apply 6-4 dhatu purvam, right? Because
Yes.
conditions are fulfilled. Asanyanga purvaha at the same time anekachaha. Similarly, ni dhatu. Here what will apply? Ni dhatu is ekach. Okay, yeah, it's doing a litlakara, that leave it. Litlakara is also anekach, fine. Yavakri, example we have seen. Anekach. Sanyoga purvaha. Therefore, achishnu dhatu purvam will apply. He's giving other counter examples. Now here, further down if you see. And Ni also has given Ni dhatu. Ni dhatu is Nayati iti nihi. It is not anekach. Therefore, it cannot apply. 6-4-82, the sutra we cannot apply. Even though asanyoga, Urvasya, there is no conjunct, but still you cannot apply this because this is not anekach, only ni. Whereas unni, you can apply. Okay, that's the difference. That is why ni shabda, unni shabda are different. Okay, so we have seen that also. Atra ekam artikam that we saw. Then prati shabda also we saw. Now you see the next one. Paramam Brahma. This is what this example I took from here. Paramam Brahma dhyayati iti is asmin arte paramadi iti pratipadikam siddhyati. Now here, paramam, is it gati or karaka? Karma karaka, right? Object of meditation is parama. And because of karma, therefore yanadesha is not yanadesha. Yanaha, it is not nishidhyate. Yanadesha will come. Karma karaka, therefore, Vartamana Sutrena, and this Vartika is a Yanadesham Kurutva, the Rupam would be Paramadyo, Paramadyaha, right? This is the Rupam. Another possibility is Paramadihi, if you take. Here it is neither a Gati
or karma.
Karma.
Therefore, na ishyate. Therefore, Achishtu Dhatu Bruvang will apply. It will be same as Shuddhadi what we saw. Or not Shuddhadi, sorry. That is, it is like what Shabda? But it is, yeah, Shuddhadi, yeah, Yanadesha, Shuddhadi only, yes. Shuddhadi, Shuddhadiyo, Shuddhadiyaha. Then we can apply, we can decline like that. So here, this is also possible. Bahuvrihi or Upapada Samasa. If we take it as Upapada, then it is Karma, then Yanadesha. If we take it as a Bahuvrihi, then it is neither Gati nor Karaka, then Yanadesha. Okay. So now, let us see this. Paramadihi. Paramam Brahma dhyayati iti paramadihi. Atra purvapadam parama iti karma sangikam asti ataha vigraha vakye etat karma karakatvam prapnoti. Ataha atrapi shuddhadi shabdavat एरणेका संयोगपूर्वस्य इति सूत्रेण यनादेशं कृत्वा you have this form paramadhyau paramadhyah. Therefore the shabda would be paramadihi paramadhyau paramadhyah tha shuddhadihi tadvat paramadhyam paramadhyau paramadhyah paramadhya paramad yes paramam yeah paramadhya paramadibhyam paramadibhihi paramadhye paramadibhyam paramadibhyah. Here it is getting yanadesha. Therefore, it is like the Shuddhadi, when I say Shuddham Dhyayati, that Shabda, okay, not the other one. Please note, when I say Shuddhadi, that's a Upapada Samasa, Shuddham Dhyayati, here Paramam Dhyayati. Therefore, the forms will be same as the Shuddhadi when it is interpreted as Shuddham Dhyayati. Please note, that was I was a little bit confused. Paramadhye, Paramadibhyam, Paramadibhyaha, Paramadhyaha, Paramadibhyam, Paramadibhyaha, Paramadhyaha, Paramadhyoho, Paramadhyam, Paramadhi, Paramadhi, Paramadhyoho, Paramadishu. Then he Paramadhi, he Paramadhyo, he Paramadhyaha. Now if you take it as a Bhuvarihi, Paramadihi yasya saha, then it will be like Shuddhadihi yasya saha Shuddhadi. I have not done, I have not taken that. That way also you can do it. Right? That way also you can take. If we take that form would be okay, let me do that also. Then if it is taken as compound, if it is taken as 25b. So here it will be Paramad Paramadihi yasya saha saha Paramadihi. So here the Parama is neither a Yagati nor a Karaka, right? Nor a Karaka. Therefore what? N will not apply. Therefore, what will apply? Therefore, N will not apply, and therefore N will not apply. It means Utsarga.
Yeah.
Therefore, the Yemuvanga Desha will apply. Parama is neither a Gati nor a Karaka. Therefore, N will not apply. Therefore, N will not apply by the just write the Vartika. By the Vartikam, N will not apply. Gatikaraka itara purvasya yanaha na ishyate. N will not apply. Therefore, N will apply. Yang Adesha by 6477 will apply. In that case, Shabda would be same as Shuddhadihi yasya saha. Ikarantaha Shuddha. So here you have to replace by Paramadihi Paramadihi, Paramadyo, Paramadyaha. Paramadyam, Paramadyo, Paramadyaha. Paramadya, Paramadibhyam, Paramadibhihi, Paramadye, Paramadibhyam, Paramadibhyaha. Paramadye, Paramadibhyam, Paramadyaha, Paramadibhyam, Paramadibhyaha, Paramadyaha, Paramadyoho, Paramadyam. Paramadihi, Paramadyoho, Paramadishu. You get this one, right? This is 25. I have to add this. I will add. Then the next one, Sudhi. Here also you can see Sudhi. Sudhi is Pradi we have seen. Now Sudhi. If you interpret the compound as Sushtu, Dhyayati. Sushtu Dhyayati. It's a Upapada Samasa. Sushtu Dhyayati iti Upapada Samasa. First we take Upapada Samasa. Then we can take Shobhanadi. Now why should we discuss Sudhi separately? You know why we discuss Sudhi? It's only like Pradi, right? Why should we discuss this?
In Pradi, actually, Anekach is no here.
Pradi we discussed. Sudhi same should be as Pradi. What? Why unnecessary this Sudhi again? Pradi like Pradi, Sudhi also Anekach only, right?
Sanyoga Purvasya Sanyoga. Pradi is Sanyoga Purvaha. Sudhi is Sanyoga Purva.
No. Why? How can you say? Both are Asanyoga Purva, right? Dhatu Avaiva is preceded by non-conjunct only. Both are Asanyoga Purva. Don't confuse with the pra. You are confusing with the pra.
Okay.
It is not nothing to do with the pra. You know, nothing to do with the Purva Padam.
Vartikam will come now. That's what.
Forgotten. You don't remember. That's okay. In the 6.4 section 1 Sutra Visa. You remember Bhu Shabda Swayambhu, Bhu Shabda itself you take. What we discussed there? Bhuhu. Ukaranta Shabda. Okay, how do you decline Bhu Shabda? Bhu is Ukaranta. Ekach or Anekach? Ekach. So Ekach then what will come? Asanyoga Purvasya will come or Achishnu Dhatu Purva?
Achishnu should come. Ekach.
Yeah, but what happens there?
No, something else came down 6484 or something.
Exactly. Or 6.4, if you see, Na Bhu Sudhiyoho Sutra is there.
Yeah.
Next sutra you see Ogo Supi. By Ogo Supi, what it says, Uvarnanta Anekach, when Supi Pratyaya follows, right? This sutra, Eranekach only for Ivarnanta Dhatu. Next sutra says Ogo Supi. Ogo Supi we have seen. Where? In Bhu Shabda, that time we have seen 6483.
Yeah,
We see.
yeah.
In that connection, we have seen the next sutra, 6484 also. Now you see, Ogo Supi says, what does it say? Dhatvanta Aneka Jangasya Dhatoho Asanyaho Purvaho Uvarnantasya Ajada Suti Pratyaya Pare Yanadeshaha. Right? Like Swayambhu, etc. Those, okay, not Swayambhu, okay, any Uvananda Dhatu. Example, here what he has given, we have seen. Kalapu, Kalam, Punati, Kalapu, and all we saw. It's all Uvarnanda Dhatu. The next sutra says, Varshabhu, also for Varshabhu. Varshabhu, why he says? Because the next sutra negates. Na Bhu Suddhi Yogo, for the Ukaranta Shabda Bhu and Ikaranta Shabda Suddhi, what happens? This Yanadesha Nabhavati, Bhu Shabdasya, Tata Suddhi Shabdasya, Ajari Suprate Pare Yanadesha Nabhavati, Yanadesha is negated. So Yanadesha is, if it is negated, then what will come? Enadesha
477.
Sudhi for Sudhis Enadesha supposed to come because fulfills the condition. It is Asanyoga Purva and it is Anekash. So therefore Yang should not come, N should come. But this negation
is only
negates
for
the particularly for Sudhi. Therefore Enadesha is negated. Therefore what will come? Yang Adesha will come. Right? Understand?
So you have given
Yeah,
everything
yeah.
there itself.
Yeah, in Bhushabda,
Nabu
yes.
Yeah, in
Sudhyogama,
Bhushata, in fact, we
everything is
discussed
there.
everything.
There
Yeah.
must be a Anekach, Yavarnanta, Uvarnanta of the
No,
Anga
in
should
fact,
be
we
a
did
part
for
of them.
Kalapu and we
Yeah,
did
all
that
these
very
things we
well.
have done before.
Yeah.
So now Boo leave it. Boo also will take it up later. Now take Sudhi alone. Boo already we did it, but Srilinga Boo time we will take. Srilinga Shabda we are going to do. That time Boo also will do it.
Yeah, you have
Sudhi.
mentioned that also. Sudhi also you have mentioned.
Yes.
There
So
is
that is the Sudhi we are doing now.
we forgot it.
That's okay. Again and again we have to go through this. Now Sudhi Shabda, the Yanadesha is negated. Therefore what will happen? Yanadesha will come. Right? And here also, Di Shabda, even though it is Nitya Srilinga Shabda, Di Shabda doesn't enjoy. Okay, I think somewhere I mentioned Di Shabda in Nadi Sanya, but Di Shabda, Nadi Sanya, Vikalpena. Di Sanya doesn't enjoy Nadi Sanya. Why? Because it gets Yang Adesha. Therefore, Nadi Sanya is negative. But if it is Anekach, see, the reason for Di Sanya, Di Shabda not getting Nadi Sanya is, it gets Yang Adesha because it is Ekach. But Suddhi is Anekach. Therefore, not Suddhi, but forget about Suddhi. If you take Pradi, it is Pradishabda, Anekach. Therefore, there, because it's Anekach, therefore, Yanadesha comes. Because Yanadesha comes, Pradi Shabda enjoys Nadi Singha. Understand? That already I told you this. Already I told you, but here, just making you see. The Di Shabda as such, it is Ekach. Di is Ekachanga and it is Asanyoga Purvaha. So because it is Ekach, here an Ekach cannot be applied. Achishnu Dhatabam only have to apply. And that is get Yang Adesha. Because it gets Yang Adesha, therefore Nadi Sanya is what? Negated, right?
not there.
But if it is Anekach with Purvapada, like Pradi, Prakashena, like that, Prakashta Dihi, Prakashta Dihi you take, right? Then it is Anekach. Then Yanadesha is not negated because Yanadesha not negated. It comes. Therefore, Yang Adesha doesn't come, right? Therefore, Nadi Sangha not negated. That is why Pradyaha we got. Understand? That is the reason. You understand what I'm saying? In fact, I told the same thing. Why I'm saying is here, yes, Sudhi also, similar to that. Di Shabda as such, getting Yang Adesha, therefore Nadi Sangha is negated. But here Sudhi is Anekach. It is Anekach. Right? It is Anekach
Yes.
Anga, therefore Yanadesha is not negated.
Yeah.
Yanadesha is not negated. But this sutra by Nabu Sudhyoho, Yanadesha is negated. By this sutra, Nabu Sudhyoho, Yanadesha is negated, particularly for Sudhi. If Yanadesha is negated, then what it will get?
Achishnu.
If you get Yangadesha, then that is not Nadi Sangha. Therefore, there is no question of Annadhya handle applying. Understand?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now let us do this. Sushtu Dhyayati. So here we are taking it as a Upapada Samasa. From the Dhatu Dhyayi it is derived. Supurvaka Dhyayi Dhatu Vapi Pratyaya Bhavati. Tata Dhyayate Samprasar. This is one sutram is there. It's a Vartika. Under Anyaha Api Drishyate Sutra is there in third chapter. Just to note this is Vartikam. By that Vartikam, that Dhyai Dhatu will undergo Samprasaranam. You know, Samprasaranam means Yakara will be replaced by Ikara.
Ikara.
After E plus I, Samprasaranat cha, by that Purva Paryavastane, Samprasaranam Adesha, that will come. Therefore, you get E, that and Dirga also happens. Okay.
Yeah.
Dirga also happens. Finally, you get Sudhi. That's how we get the word Sudhi. Understand? Sudhi.
Yes.
So supurvaka dhyayadatoho dhyayate samprasaranam cha. Samprasaranam cha means dirgha as well as samprasaranam and then dirgha. Both will happen. Chakarat. That is given in the Vartika, but just note that. Iti Vartikena Sudhi Shabdaha. Supurvaka dhyayadatu plus script pratyaya. First is samprasaranam bhavati, and then after samprasaranam yakara replaced by ikara. Ikara plus I. I is that Sandhi rule will apply 61108. Samprasaranat cha. And then you get the short e and then gets dirghatvam because samprasaranam cha chakarat dirghatvam api bhavati. Sudhi iti shabdaha shabdasya nishpannaha bhavati. Right? Sudhi shabda. That's how you get Sudhi shabda. Now, here, supurvaka, sushtu, is it gati or karaka? Tell me. Gati karaka itara purvapadasya yanaha na ishyate. So, su is what here? Su upapadasya gati sanya bhavati. Su is gati sanya, right? Jayati kriya yoge. Su is a upasarga. I mean, because we know upasarga, I'm saying, but here it is enjoys the gati sanya because kriya yoge, jayati. So, therefore, gati sanya bhavati. Gati sanya is there, then what will come? Yanaha ishyate. But this sutra negates yanadeshaha. Na bhusudhyoho negates yanadesha. Therefore, achishtuddhatu brahma will apply. Right? Na bhusudhyoho. Lagu Siddhanta Kaumadika. Simple, that's why I wrote this. Etayoho means for bhu shabda and sudhi shabda. Etayoho supi. Ajadi, I mean, supi prate. See, supi. It doesn't say, yeah, supi. Okay, fine. When supratyaya follows. When supratyaya, ajadi supratyaya is understood. Okay. Ajadi sup, all these conditions are when ajadi sup, achi coming as anuvatti all the way from 6477. So when ajadi supratyaya follows, yanna bhavati, yan nishidyate. That's what the sutra does. So therefore, when ajadi pratyaya follows, bhu or sudhi, yan will not be the replacement. Therefore, yanaha, n RN by 6482 is dismissed. Therefore, what will happen? Yang adesha by 6477 will apply. Therefore, sudhi plus su, let us decline. Sudhi shabda is not niyanta. Here we are taking the vigraha vakya, sushtu dhyayati. Therefore, su will remain sudhihi, then yang adesham krutva sudhiyau, sudhiyaha, sudhiyam, sudhiyau, sudhiyaha, sudhibhyam, sorry, sudhiya, sudhibhyam, sudhibihi, then sudhiyai, sorry, sudhiye, not sudhiyai, okay. No nadi sanya business also. For the reasons I already told. Right? Why?
Yes.
Because Yangadesha gets the no nadi sanya. Right? Even though Sudhi is Anekach, unlike the supposed to get nadi sanya, but Yangadesha comes. Therefore, no nadi sanya. Therefore, just no anadhya here. So the A. Understand?
Yes.
You have to write, if you want explanation further, you have to write so that you will not forget. I'm not telling here because but sometimes I have written, that's why not repeating here. Sudhiye, Sudhibhyam, Sudhibhyaha, Sudhiyaha, Sudhibhyam, Sudhibhyaha, Sudhiyaha, Sudhiyoho, Sudhiyam, Sudhi, Sudhiyoho, Sudhishu, Ye Sudhihi, Ye Sudhiyo, Ye Sudhiyaha. So this is the Sudhi Shabda. Sudhi, right? Understand? Sudhi Shabda.
Yes.
Suppose if we take, it's a Bhagavati, then Su, Shobana, Dihi, Yasya Saha. In that case, what will happen? Tell me.
Yeah.
Take into consideration everything. Shobana, Dihi, Yasya Saha. Yanadesha will never come because Na Bhu Sudhiyoga negates Inadesha. Then also the form will be same. Understand?
Okay.
You may think Yanadesha will come, but Yanadesha negated. Na Bhu Sudhiyoga. Even if you take Shobana Digi Yasyasaha, Shobana is not a Gati or a Karaka, so Yan will not come. Yan will not come. Right? Anyway, Yan will not come. And Nas Bhu Sudhyoga negates that. Right? Therefore, the form will be same. If you take the Vigraha Vakya to be Shobana Digi Yasyasaha, Bhuguri Samasa, then also the form will be the same. Because The application of Vennadesha by Eranekacho Sanyoga Purvasya is negated by the Sutra Nabu Sudiyoho. Right? And
Yes.
also Vartikam also says that Inahana Ishyate. Vartika we can apply appropriately, but Sutra itself is there. So you don't have to go for Vartika. The Sutra itself negates Enadesha for Sudhi. Therefore, Achishnu Dhatu Brahma will apply. Because Engadesha comes, Adi Sanya also gone, negated. The form will be same as the previous one. Okay, understand?
Okay.
Okay, then that's it. I think after that, Sukhi Shabda, I thought I will do in the class directly. Time not there, we'll stop here. Sukhi Shabda, next class. But you please go through all this and then get clarity. Any doubts, please ask. You confuse me by asking question and then I will get clarity. Huh? You ask me. You ask.
It's like
You
Max
just go.
Rider, Sharanji. What is Ishtarupam? Step level.
Teach Katsila answer the teacher confused wrong. Okay, mark through. Okay. Yes. I'll send you the document. Please go through that and discuss. Have one class among yourself and discuss this. Okay.
Yes.
So many shabdas are there. We will see. Kalapu and all we did, no? Kalapu. We
did Kalapu.
This Swayambhu, Varshabhu.
Varshabhu
also did. Varshabhu Pannel. Yeah.
Swayambhu
Swayambhu also you.
Okay, then I think I have to change it. I'll do it. Sukhi will do next class. Sukhi, Suti, etc. Om Purnamadav Purnavidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. If there are any mistakes, let me know. Sutra number, typos. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad.
How are you? All right?